All right, I went up to try to get the GP3 on the dyno yesterday, and it was kind of a failed trip because the guidance on how to set up roller test mode is kind of unclear. So I just figured it out, so I'm posting up a video. All right, first thing you want to do is you want to start the Mini.
System 1.
So go ahead and get it up and running. Then you're going to hold the DSC switch down until it shows that DSC is off. Go ahead and close this message. And once DSC is off, then you're going to hold this button down until it pops up into a test menu. It takes about 15 seconds. All right, you see the test menu come up. You tap it until it goes down to start roller. Once it goes down to start roller, you hold that for another 3 seconds, and it's going to pop up this message says start roller test. DSC off? Well, you know it's off. I assumed, yep, it's off. I'm good to go. It's asked me the question. The step I missed, you got to tap the button one more time. That puts you into the test mode. That was the step I missed yesterday. So it's going to pop up these messages to let you know, and then to get it out of test mode, you simply turn the car off. Easy to do if you know how to do it. Not so easy if it's not quite clear online. So hopefully this clears it up for everybody. Have a good day.